So on Mondaycom, if you work with maps widget and with location column is pretty sweet for project management. Will give you a lot of will give you actually your team a visual roadmap for what's going on, and it will really help you to know exactly on the map. If you're using location column, will show you the locations, and then the map. You can see the location on the map, but with the column, you'll just see the written kind of location. So I want to show you actually right now instead of talking. So you can go and click on here and add more columns, and then here, I'm gonna write locations. So here I'm gonna add locations, and I can add the locations of my team. So here, just type the location. And then now once you type the location here, okay, I've just realized didn't change the size of the camera, sorry. So once you add the from here from column, you added locations, you added the board, then you can click here, you can add locations. And when you added the locations here and you go to the main, you can go here to add a view and then explore more views. And here you can enter map. Here you can open in board, and now you can make, you wouldn't probably have this. So you can have the map here, but you can also create, start with something blank, and then, and usually I like to name this dashboard, And what I like to do, I'll click on the dashboard here and add widget. Then I go here and add the map. Okay, and now usually I like to do here as well is to dock this widget. And now I can see the locations. I can see Rome. I can see all the locations here. And now here I like to actually can check both this, like both location columns. And then here I can add the zoom. So I usually prefer 8 or 9. And that's pretty much it. Now you can also, if you want, you can also add related to location. Another column that I found very helpful is, let's say you don't, you have people, you're working with members, we're team workers from different country, which is probably true. Probably have workers from all over the place, and they have a different time zone, and you have to always look, okay, I'm gonna look on my phone, check the time zone. So instead of doing that in leaving Monday, you can look for this column, which is time, word clock, which is work clock, and you can add this to board, and now you can add the time zone of your team, of that person, okay? And it's gonna show, okay, it's night here, so what if I'm gonna call him in a couple of hours? So I'm gonna make sure that he woke up. And you can, let's say in New York, okay, it's still night, you can check that. In Russia, in Europe, okay, still night. So yeah, in China, in Asia, let's see, okay, it's not night, it shows you with this icon even, and also the time, of course, 11 a.m. Also the icon that is like a sun. And now another one that I found very helpful, you can also add numbers. So instead of leaving, you can add revenue, costs, but phone, sorry, not that one. This one. Call your contacts directly from Mondaycom. Okay. Yeah, you can add a number. Very helpful as well. Also here for work log, you have settings. Also, you have settings for location. So let me show you. I've just deleted the location, but you can also check the settings and then add description, and then we can also restrict column settings. But here you can also change this from 12 hours to 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.